Hello, good morning, all. How are you all? Today I am going to taking one demo class for state civil service, and my topic is some current issues on environment. It is not some I am taking only one topic for today's demo class, and I am focusing how you should read newspaper regarding the environmental issues for state civil service or for UPSC to score well. Environmental science is very easy for scoring if you are preparing well in your basic subjects like politics, geography, or basic science and tech news or issues. Because environmental sciences, you find environmental science topic in everywhere, like in current politics, like in current geography, like in science and tech. Everywhere you can find environment, and everywhere you can link environment with current issues. So if you are preparing well in your basic subjects like politics, history, geography, science and tech, you are doing very well in environmental science also. So let's start. I am going to share one PPT and then I explain. Wait. So this is the topic for today, the current issues on environment, right? So I took one topic from newspaper recently in news in 2022, that is Himalayan zero was spotted in Assam. This was the headline which I found two, three times in a national newspaper and three, four times in local newspaper in the Hindu and the Indian Express. It comes in two, three times. So I take this example for reference. So how should we read newspaper from this headline? How can we extract some basic information regarding exam point of view from this one headline? See, I extract some information from this news only, without going through to the basic whole paragraph of the newspaper. See, first of all, where it is normally found, where the Himalayan zero normally found, situated in the lap of Srikhand mountains of the Dholathar range of Himalayan in the Rupi Baba Wildlife Sanctuary. This is the natural habitat of the Himalayan zero, but accidentally it is found in spotted in Assam after many years. So the normal habitat is Rupi Baba Wildlife Sanctuary, situated in Dholathar range of Himalayan. Next point is the sanctuary is named after Rupi and Phaba valleys of Lower Kinnor. Next, see where is Lower Kinnor is situated. This is situated in Himachal Pradesh. We already extract so many information from this one headline. It is situated in Lower Kinnor. Lower Kinnor is situated in Himachal Pradesh, and in Himachal Pradesh, the linking valley Rupi and Phaba. This is the natural habitat of this Himalayan zero, right? Next, in Rupi Baba Wildlife Sanctuary, there are other mammals are found also. And you have to remember these other mammals because this Rupi Baba Wildlife Sanctuary is in news for 3 to 4 times. You should know what are the other mammals found here in this Rupi Baba Wildlife Sanctuary. They are named as snow leopard, Himalayan brown bear, Himalayan black bear, Himalayan musk deer, zero deer, Himalayan whistle, and blue sheep. These are the tagmark mammals of Rupi Baba Wildlife Sanctuary. Next, some additional infos are also there. The additional infos I found or I extract from this one headline is, what is this? What is this Himalayan Shiro? See, this is the picture of Himalayan Shiro, which is suddenly spotting Assam. This is like a pig, also like a donkey, also like a cow. So scientists described as Himalayan Shiro as resembling a cross between a dog, between a donkey and a cow and a pig. See, And see, its structure is not very large, not very small, but this is of medium size. So this is a medium-sized mammal, resembling very much a goat, very much a donkey, very much a cow, very much a pig, right? So next is this is a herbivore mammal. This is not a carnivore mammal. It eats trees or eat herbs, shrubs, etc. It don't take muttons or meat, or it don't attack herbivore animals because um, it is not a carnivore, right? So next is where in which region or in which part of Himalayan this is basically found. This is found basically in the eastern, central, and western Himalayan. Remember, this is mainly found in eastern, western, and central Himalayan, but never found in trans Himalayan region. Now, what is UPSC or APSC normally doing? They put some statements like they are found in trans Himalayan region, they are not found in western Himalayan regions, they are found in eastern Himalayan regions, and they are making the candidates confused. And you have to put the right statements or put the wrong statements according to the question. So you should remember this is not found in trans Himalayan region, right? So next important point you have to remember from this one headline, Himalayan zero was spotted in Assam. This is the basic headline I found, and these are the additional information I extract from the newspaper. Right. What is the IUCN red list category of this black zero or black? This is Himalayan zero. Now, first of all, we have to know what is a IUCN Red List category. IUCN Red List category is a list of endangered species according to their threatened status. In this red list category, the animals are characterized like extinct, vulnerable, rare, or threatened, or nearly threatened or rare species. In case of extinct species, you find the least species of that genera is already जो विलुप्त हो चुका है from the world, like dodo. In case of uh, uh, threatened or endangered, in case of endangered, the species are found very rarely in very particular range, and if not care taken, they are also extinct in very near future. And the red list category of this Himalayan zero is vulnerable, means this is available now, but in near future, up to 5 to 10 years, if proper treatment is not there, it is also extinct. It will also extinct, right? इट इज ये इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि अभी ये मिल रहा है तो कल जाके विलुप्त नहीं होगा. अगर प्रॉपर स्ट्रेटेजी इसके लिए अपनाया नहीं गया तो ये भी विलुप्त हो जाएगा. तो दिस इज called IUCN category of threatened species, and this is in vulnerable list according to IUCN red list category. Next is according to the Indian Wildlife Act Protection Act 1972. This is came under Schedule 1 species. Remember, there are 6 schedules of Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972, which describe how the animals are treated, in which category it should be hunt or it should not be hunt, in which category this comes under game animals and which comes under entertaining animals. Like there are some definitions are there. We shouldn't go into so many details, but you should remember this is comes under Schedule 1 species. There are total 6 schedule. there 6 schedule है और ये Schedule 1 पे आता है. So these are some of the basic informations regarding the Himalayan zero. I only extract this line from newspaper, which came 2-3 times in national newspaper and almost 3-4 in local newspaper of Assam. And from this, I extracted this information, and this should be a strategy for you also when you read or prepare environmental sections for UPSC or APSC. You should go through the headline, then read the news once. Don't copy don't copy from the paragraph line by line, but instead go through the basic line and the additional, try to extract additional information from here. From this line, I extracted the geographical location of Rupi Baba Wildlife Sanctuary. This is in Himachal Pradesh. This is in Himachal Pradesh, which is again in Dholadhar Range, and this is Rupi and Baba valleys, which is linking in Lower Kinnaur. Then this is a mammals. These are the additional mammals which are found in the Rupi Baba Wildlife Sanctuary. They are not mentioning any apes for particular segment take mark, but these are this wildlife sanctuary is known for mammals only. Then it is in still one species. This is listed as vulnerable. Then this is resemble like a cross between goat, donkey, cow, and pig. This is not carnivore. This is herbivore. This is a medium-sized mammal, and this is never found in trans-Himalayan regions. So this would be a strategy. How can you extract the additional information from one headline while you are preparing your environmental section through current affair viewpoint? While you reading politics, mark where such topics are coming, because in polity section there are various conflict now going on, like the status of mining ores, that mining ores which is, that touches various wildlife sanctuaries, various national park region, they are getting green signal for extending their work, but the uh, apart from this, they process many wildlife sanctuaries, and those which are coming in news, you should remember all those wildlife sanctuaries name. Currently, there are all total 575 wildlife sanctuaries in India and 106 national parks in India. This is very hard to remember all the wildlife sanctuaries and all the new national parks, including all the tagline animals or tagline flowers of that particular wildlife sanctuary or of that particular national park. But you should remember, you must remember all the animals or all the particular species of that animals which cover the newspaper, which national park or which wildlife sanctuary cover the newspaper. You must go through it. You must go through the geographical location of it. You must go through all the animals or the species or the particular specific characteristics of that wildlife sanctuary or of that national park. And this is the strategy how you can cover your environmental sections through current issues. So this is for today. Thanking you.